Hey there, fellow color professionals. Have you ever wished you could predict exactly how a color formula would turn out before you even mix the bowl? Or imagine having an assistant that remembers every single formula you've ever created for every client and actually learns from the results? Well, that future isn't coming. It's already here. I'm going to take you on a journey through the most exciting transformation happening in our industry right now. We're talking about artificial intelligence, data-driven decisions, and digital tools that are completely reshaping what's possible behind the chair. And here's the thing. This isn't about robots replacing colorists. This is about giving you superpowers. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about how far we've come. Think about Generation 1 of color formulation. It was all apprenticeship and intuition. Knowledge passed from mentor to apprentice, and every colorist developed their own instincts through years of trial and error. Results varied wildly based on individual experience. Then came Generation 2, brand education and standardized systems. Color manufacturers created level systems, education programs, and formulation guidelines. This was a huge step forward, but it still relied heavily on memory and personal interpretation. Generation 3 brought us digital documentation. Salon software started capturing formulas digitally. Great for consistency, but these were just record-keeping tools. They stored what you decided, not why, and definitely couldn't tell you if it was optimal. Now we're entering Generation 4, intelligent assistants. This is AI-powered tools that don't just record your decisions. They help you make better decisions. Systems that analyze variables, predict outcomes, and recommend optimized formulations based on actual data. This isn't about replacing your judgment. It's about informing it with insights that no human brain could process manually. So, how does AI color prediction actually work? Modern prediction systems analyze multiple input variables: your client's current hair level and tone, the target level and tone, gray percentage, hair condition and porosity, previous color history, and specific product characteristics. The AI then calculates expected outcomes based on color theory principles, developer chemistry, known product behaviors, and pattern recognition from thousands of outcome data points. Here's what this enables. First, confidence before application. You'll know the likely outcome before you mix a single gram of product. You can catch potential problems before they become visible disasters. Second, optimized formulation. Not just, will this work? But what's the best formula for this specific situation? Third, realistic expectation setting. Imagine showing clients predicted outcomes during consultation. You're aligning expectations with science, not just hope. And fourth, continuous learning. When predictions and actual results differ, the system learns. Accuracy improves over time. Now, let me be clear about the limits. AI prediction is powerful, but it's not magic. It requires accurate input, garbage in, garbage out. It can't account for factors you don't capture, and no prediction is ever 100% certain. The best outcomes come from combining AI prediction with your professional expertise. Let's talk about something that's been a constant challenge: shade matching across brands. Lab Color Space is revolutionizing this. It provides a mathematical framework for comparing colors with precision that human eyes simply cannot match. Right now, we can calculate exact color differences using delta E values. We can match shades across different brands scientifically. We can eliminate visual comparison errors and document matches with numerical precision. But here's where it gets really exciting. Emerging capabilities go beyond just matching the final color. We're now factoring in how colors behave during processing, how they fade over time, coverage characteristics, even mixing ratios for exact matches. As these databases grow, cross-brand matching becomes incredibly sophisticated. Not just these colors look similar, but these colors behave similarly. Processing time correlations across brands, gray coverage performance comparisons, lift and deposit pattern matching. This means brand switches become genuinely seamless, not just color matching and behavior matching. Now let's peek into the connected color bar of the future. Imagine sensors monitoring color processing in real time, alerting you when development reaches the optimal point, not based on a timer, but on actual color change happening on the hair. This is already emerging. Color analysis apps that assess development, processing timers that adjust for ambient temperature, alerts based on formula-specific timing. Coming soon, real-time cuticle monitoring, automated processing optimization, predictive alerts for potential issues. And here's something practical for today. Voice-enabled documentation. Your hands are busy during color services. Voice interaction lets you dictate formula notes while working. Query client history hands-free. Adjust timers verbally. Capture consultation information without ever touching a keyboard. This isn't science fiction. Voice interfaces for professional tools are available right now and improving rapidly. The client experience is transforming too. Virtual try-on technology using AR and AI lets clients see color results before commitment. Current tools offer basic virtual color application and rough shade approximations, but emerging capabilities include accurate prediction based on actual hair analysis, multi-session journey visualization, and realistic rendering of highlights and balayage. AI-enhanced consultation goes beyond filling out forms. We're talking analysis of client photos to assess current state, automatic extraction of relevant history from records, personalized recommendations based on similar client patterns, risk flagging based on visible condition indicators, and the relationship extends beyond the chair. Automated check-ins at optimal intervals, personalized maintenance recommendations, AI-detected fade patterns suggesting rebooking timing, product recommendations matched to their specific color service and hair type. With all this data comes responsibility. Client protection is paramount. Color history, photos, and personal information require robust security. Clients should understand what data is collected. They should own and be able to export their color history. And aggregate data can improve the industry without exposing individual information. AI transparency matters too. You should understand how recommendations are generated. Clients should know when AI is involved. Predictions should include confidence levels, not false certainty, and human judgment should always remain the final decision maker. Most importantly, technology should enhance craft, not eliminate it. AI handles calculation and data processing. You handle creativity, relationship, and artistry. The colorist remains the professional. Remember, AI is just the tool. So how do you prepare? Start documenting everything now. Standardize your process. Embrace existing digital tools. Build data habits today. Because the more history you capture, the more AI can help you tomorrow. Here's the bottom line. The future of hair color is digital, data-driven, and AI-assisted, but it's still fundamentally human. Technology won't replace the artistry of color work. It won't eliminate the relationship between colorist and client. It won't make your expertise obsolete. What it will do is amplify what great colorists already do. Catch errors before they happen. Provide insights impossible to generate manually. Make consistency achievable and documentation automatic. The colorists who thrive will be those who embrace these tools while maintaining what makes them irreplaceable: creativity, relationship, and the human touch that no algorithm can replicate. The future is bright, in every shade you can imagine. If you're ready to start your digital transformation, check out Colorist IQ application at coloristic.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.